Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to April's bullet journal spread. I thought we'd start off by just talking about March and kind of what worked and what didn't. If you haven't seen this spread drawn out, I will link that up in the corner and also at the end of this video. So if you like this spread, you can go and watch that and I can show you how I did it. So just getting started, I don't know, the sleep log, you know, it was, I guess, cool to do once, but realistically, it didn't do much for me. Like, I didn't need it. I don't know. I guess it was kind of cool to do, but other than that, it wasn't something that I felt like I really needed to repeat in April, but it was cool to try and cool to kind of see my sleep. You'll notice these aren't finished, and that's because I filmed this before the end of the month, just so I could get April's up for you really quickly. The water log was fun too. It just more so told me that I need to drink more water. So I didn't want to repeat that. The video ideas page was too big. I didn't need 2 full pages of this. The weekly spread was really nice as well. I had lots of space, but I found that on the weekends I wasn't using the weekend dates, and it's kind of like a full waste of a page. So anyways, I thought we would do something different for the weekly spread this week. So let's get started. If you guys haven't seen the first plan with me, then you won't know all of the materials that I use. They haven't changed. If they ever do change, I will let you know. But again, they're all listed in the last video. So for this month's theme, I really wanted to stick with like the 70s kind of vibe. I've been absolutely loving like the 70s and artwork and all that stuff from that era. And so I thought we would do kind of something reminiscent of that. I've been kind of loving these sort of line pattern paintings and things like that. So I thought we would do that. So I just started off by doing some kind of groovy letters, and then we're sticking within this like warm brown, orange, yellow theme, which if you guys have been following me on Instagram and stuff like that, you'll have seen that I really like this kind of color scheme. So yes, we're just gonna start drawing. Very, very simple. I just outlined it first, and then I'm going in with my Crayola super tips. So yeah, let's get to coloring. Okay, so that's pretty much our title page done. Next up, I really needed like a calendar view, because when, you know, if you're a YouTuber or an Instagrammer, it's kind of nice to plan out your post, and I like to know that I have, you know, a certain amount of stuff planned far in advance. At the end of this month, I'm going to England and Germany, so I really need to be pre-planning my video posts. So yeah, I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks, so I have to plan like 3 weeks of videos. It's just nice to be able to see, okay, that's what's going live this day, and I know, and I have a place to just like check. And yeah, so I needed a full calendar view. I'm just starting off by doing like this design. I thought it would be kind of cool. I should have done the brown color last in retrospect, just because there's some spots on the calendar that are a little bit hard to see, but what are you gonna do? So I just went and drew some lines like this. I kept it really simple, just as a calendar outlook kind of thing. And also for the font, I wanted to repeat that same font that we did on the first page. So yeah. For the next page, we're going to get into trackers. Now, I really thought hard about what trackers I wanted, and these are kind of the most important ones to me, I guess. And I tried to think of a way to really showcase them. I kind of wish I had a bigger bullet journal because there was a couple of layouts that I kind of wanted to replicate that I couldn't because it wasn't wide enough. But yeah. Okay, so YouTube tracker is the first one. I didn't do an Instagram tracker because I don't care as much to keep track about Instagram. I don't know. I just kind of learned that through, last month. I did a video ideas little thing over there, and then these are my trackers. I did running oaks because I run oaks separately than walking all the dogs. Then I did a walking dogs. I did a workout. I did headaches. I've been having a lot of headaches recently. I want to keep track of those, and a period tracker, and then bills just to make sure that I paid my bills. I always do pay my bills, but I like to know like, okay, that's paid. This is what I have left to pay. So I'm basically just going to use one of my markers and probably put like a little circle on the number or like highlight the number, and then that will show me the tracking. Yeah, I know there's 100 ways to do this, but I don't know. This just seemed like it would work for me. It probably won't. Probably next month. I'm probably going to do something different, but we'll see. My favorite thing about this whole like monthly spread is probably the weekly spreads. So like I said, I had a lot of space the last time, and I just felt like it didn't work. So I did 2 on a page for each one last time. This time I'm doing 4. It might not work that great. I might have to do 3. We'll see. Let's see how this goes. I did that same font, that bubbly 70s font. And each time I did this, because I think I had to do like 5 weeks, I just changed the color scheme. So like the outlining of the boxes every week I changed. The font color I changed. Everything kind of just changed. So yeah, let's get to that. Okay, so here is my final spread. I really, really like this. The title page is super cool, super 70s. I think it's super great. How many times can I say super? Here is my upload schedule. It's very simple. Not much else to say. My trackers all there. I kind of want to do them a bit differently next time. I know I want to, but this for this month is fine. I just want them to be a little bit, I don't know, neater, I guess, but I love these weekly spreads, and I hope that they work really well because I think that they look really cute. If you're wondering, the numbers for every day are in the bottom right-hand corner. I put them really small because, just make sure they don't get in the way. But yeah, that is my spread for this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. I haven't really seen a spread that's very 70s like this. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, you can see the numbers of the week up in the little sun. I forgot to say that's where they are. I did a notes page on the last one. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Please let me know if you do enjoy these bullet journal videos. It seems like a lot of you did in the last one, so I'm really glad to hear that. It's very therapeutic for me to do. Just a reminder, if you didn't see last month's bullet journal, it's right there on the screen, so go ahead and click away. Bye guys!